Welcome back to my channel, and today we are in sunny California. This is actually, I live in California, but we are in Rancho Palos Verdes at the beautiful resort, Terranea Resorts in Rancho Palos Verdes. It is so nice and the weather is perfect today. And I'm sitting here on some rocks, just chilling, spending some time, just relaxing and soaking in nature. This stuff is just amazing. So just wanted to share this with you all. That was a really big wave just now. I just wanted to share with you all the beautiful view, and hope you all are having a wonderful day. Sometimes you just gotta get out and enjoy the simple things that are free, which is nature. It's such a good feeling just to be a part of nature, listen to the sound of the waves and relax. We all need this little break. I know everyone has busy lives and they work and 9 to 5s, or it's just non-stop. So to take that break, to take that pause and sit back and relax and listen to yourself is so important. So I soak in all of the opportunities that I have when I can. Just sit still and think. This is like the best spot to think and put everything together, because it's just so calming and relaxing. So just a short message here for you guys. I hope you all are enjoying the beautiful spring weather. We're now in spring, and just I hope you all have an awesome day. Thank you for joining me once again, and I'll be back soon with some more great and fun videos. But this one was a simple one, basically saying enjoy the simple things. Enjoy the simple things. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this wonderful adventure. I did. Let's go.
Harder. Yeah. Don't hurt her. You can't hurt her.
Okay. All right. We're horseback riding, guys. This makes me scared. Random mission of the day. We decided to come horseback riding. This is so pretty, though. My second time ever horseback riding. But this is awesome. It's so nice. So. Oh, come on.
No.
Come on.
Pull up and give it a kick.
Okay.
There you go.
He tried to eat just now, guys. This is Rex. This is my horsey. Nature Adventure Part 2. So I enjoyed the ocean today, just to get the day started. But now we're doing a sunset horseback ride. Me and my friend here. She's on this other horse in front of me now. But yeah, talking about nature all day. This is another nature adventure, and riding horses and going through beautiful neighborhoods here in Rancho Palos Verdes. And I'm really enjoying today. It's so nice. Her horse is a little hungry. Thanks for joining me on my adventures, and I love to share this stuff with you all. Thank you. We're done. Dropping off the horses now. Hour-long ride complete. Oh, okay. I know you don't want me to leave. It's okay, Rex. Mwah.